Well, good morning class 9. Today we will be doing, we have been doing this chapter that is called Pythagoras theorem, and today we will be looking at some of the questions from the exercise that is based on Pythagoras theorem. You know the Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem, there is only one theorem that I am talking about, and the converse of Pythagoras theorem. What does Pythagoras theorem says? Pythagoras theorem says that the hypotenuse square, the square of hypotenuse is equal to the square of the sum of the other two sides. So there are three sides in a triangle. Okay. So in all, if we just look in one glance, we are talking about a triangle, a right angle triangle, and a theorem that is related to a right angle triangle, and the name of the theorem is given Pythagoras theorem because the person who who figured this theorem out, his name was Pythagoras. That's why the name of this theorem is Pythagoras theorem. Let's have a look at some of the questions today. These questions are going to help you in your homework, plus this question also you have to do it as a homework as well. Okay. So let's see question number 8. Question number 8 says the hypotenuse of a right triangle. So I will be making a right angle triangle. So they are talking about this hypotenuse. The hypotenuse of a right triangle means equals to, hypotenuse equals to 6 meter more than twice the shortest side. 6 meter more than twice the shortest side. What is the shortest side? This is the shortest side. What is the value of this? I don't know. So I am taking the value of the shortest side as x. So this side is 6 meter more than twice the shortest side. This is what they are trying to tell us. If the third side is 2 meter less than the hypotenuse, so this is the hypotenuse, this is the answer for the hypotenuse, 6 plus 2x. If third side, this is the third side they are talking about, third side is 2 meter less than the hypotenuse. So hypotenuse is 6 plus 2x minus 2. So what is my answer going to be? 2x plus 4. If you solve 6 and 2, you get this. So what is the length of this side? This side is 2x plus 4, this side is x, and this side is 6 plus 2x, and this is a right angle triangle. We'll apply Pythagoras theorem. So I will be solving this solution. Solution says that 2x plus 6, the hypotenuse, is equals to the sum of the rest of the two sides, that is 2x plus 4 ka whole square plus x square. Okay, so find the sides of the triangle. Now 2x square, a square plus b ka whole square, so 4x square, right? Then 6 are 36 plus 24x equals to, how much is this going to be? This is going to be 4x square plus 4 4s are 16 and 4 2s are 8 2s are 16x plus x square. Okay, so this is the value I got right now. Think about it. This is plus, this is plus. When I shift this plus over here, it's going to become minus, and this is going to get cancelled out. Okay. Now I'll see what are the like terms that are left over. I'll just put them on one side. So what do I have right now? I have x square, the highest power of a parallelogram, and then 16x, or either से भी x वाला, that is minus 24x, इधर आ गया, and then 16 minus 24. So minus 36. This is 36. And इधर क्या होता है 0. क्योंकि मैंने सब चीज उधर ट्रांसफर कर दिया. I transferred everything on that side. I put everything on the other side. Whatever was left. So 0. If you solve this out, what will you be getting? You'll be getting 16x minus 24x. That is x square minus 8x. Right? And plus 16 and minus 36. What's the value you're going to get? Think about it. Okay, so you'll be getting 16 plus 4, 24, minus 24. I hope it's clear. Okay, so this, when I solved this, I got this. I hope you guys are getting it. Okay, now what's going to happen? Now it's a quadratic equation. You guys can see we have done quadratic equation, right? Sorry, this is going to be 20 over here. Plus 16 minus 36 is 20. Now we know the factorization. How to do the factorization? It's very easy. Factorization, splitting the middle term. So middle term is going to be x square minus 10x minus 2x. Sorry, plus 2x minus 20. So I'll get two brackets. One is x minus so x is common out of here, so I'll take x, then x minus 10, and from here 2 will take x minus 10. So what are the two brackets I got? X plus 2 and x minus 2, x minus 10. So I'll get two values of x. X is equals to minus 2 and x is equals to 10. But the length of anything is never negative. You know, the length of road from here to Salagoi is not in negative numbers. It's always positive. Length of something is always positive. So the negative number I'll measure. I'll take the positive one. Okay. So I know what is the length of this side. X is equals to 10 centimeters. So the length of this side is 10. What is the length of this side going to be? Think about it. 2 into 10, 20, 20 plus 6, 26. So this is going to be 26. You have to write it down. Okay, explain that over there. Now, and this is going to be 2 into 20 plus 4, 24. So this is going to be 24. So this is 24, this is 10, and this is 26. That's how you solve these questions that are based on hypotenuse. Okay, or hypotenuse or Pythagoras theorem. Okay, now we'll be solving next question, that is question number 12. So I'm just helping you guys with your homework so that you guys can understand that what does the question says, okay, or how to do the questions that are after this or before this. So I'm picking up some of the questions from the exercise or the homework that I have given, and I'm doing those questions for you guys. So the question says ABC is the isosceles triangle with AB equals to AC. In an isosceles triangle, two sides are equal, two angles are also equal, and they have given the length of the two sides, that is 12 cm. BC equals to 8 cm. Find the altitude on BC. Altitude will be falling on BC, sorry, and hence calculate its area. I have to calculate the area of the triangle as well. But my brother and sisters, I really want you guys to understand this. Figures helps us a lot. You know, if I don't draw a triangle over here, I won't be able to do this question properly. So the very basic thing and the very first thing that you need to keep in mind is making a figure out of every question. If the figure is not given. If the figure is given, well and good. But if the figure is not given, then you have to make sure that you guys try doing the questions by making the figures first. Okay? So I'll make a figure. Isosceles triangle. This is the isosceles triangle, okay, and the name of the triangle is ABC, okay, and altitude is falling on BC. Altitude matlab ye height. This is falling on BC. Altitude का मतलब होता है 90 degree, ठीक है? This is 12, this is 12, and this whole is 8. तो जब altitude fall होता है तो ये 8 हो जाता है, ये sorry ये 4 हो जाता है, ये 4 हो जाता है. Okay, from here to here, and here to here. This is 4. This is 4. I hope you guys are getting this. Now let's start solving this question. Let's understand how to solve this. So what I have to find? I have to find the altitude on BC and hence calculate its area. So I have to find this. Okay. So I'm naming this D. I'm giving this point D. This D. Okay. I have to find AD. So अगर आप 11 triangles देखें, so this is a right angle triangle, right? So our solution I am doing it over here. In a right angle triangle, if you guys have seen in a right angle triangle, in triangle ABD, right? ABD में क्या करेंगे हम? Pythagoras theorem. I'll say using Pythagoras theorem. Using Pythagoras theorem. So Pythagoras theorem is 12 का square equals to 4 का square plus AD का square. Why? Because this is our hypotenuse, and hypotenuse is equals to 4 का square plus AD का square. Okay, I hope you guys are getting it. Okay, after this what will I be doing? 12 का square is 144, isn't it? Equals to 4 4s are 16. Okay, plus AD square. Now 16 goes on that side and gets subtracted by 144 minus 16. So I get the value of AD square. Right? When I subtract this, what will I be getting? Think about it. So if I 14 versus 6 there, then 8 is left, and then 3 2 128. So AD का square is equals to 128, but I have to find the value of AD. So square root is going to go on 128. Okay, and how to figure out the square root or write it proper way? So 128, 2 6 are 4 are 232, 216, 28, 24, 22, 21. So I can see pair 1 के ये तो बाहर आ जाएंगे 2 4 4 to 8, तो बस अंदर एक बचेगा. तो 8 root 2 is 80. 80 is 8 root 2. So I am writing 2 here. 8 ठीक है. ये तो मेरा आपका निकल गया एल्टीट्यूड, बट जो ये एरिया भी ढूंढना है, तो एरिया कैसे निकालते हैं हम लोग, आपको पता है एरिया ऑफ अ ट्रायंगल इज हाफ इनटू बेस इनटू हाइट. So if you see half into what is base, base is this whole is base into 8 into height is what, this is height 8 into 2. So this can be cancelled out, 2 4s are. So my answer is 4 into 32. 32 root 2 centimeter square. Okay, area is always in square, so I'll write 32 root 2 32 centimeter square. That's how I'll do this question. Question number 12.